check it out. I gotta say, I'm pretty excited. Let's get this thing together. There's a few things on the inside too, so I guess I'll go ahead and get those out as well. Looking pretty clean in there. Nice and shiny. But probably not for very long. It comes with this pamphlet inside. You can scan the QR code to get to the assembly manual, but they also have an assembly video on their own YouTube channel that you can watch. I'll link it in the description. First thing I gotta do is lay it on his back. So I'm gonna use this cushion right here. I've also got this cardboard, just in case. I don't want to damage it. I may need to get some help. That'll work. So I'm just gonna go in order like the manual says, and like I said, you can watch the video by Recteq if you want to. So first of all, I gotta do the legs. There we go. Next is the bottom shelf. It's right here. There we go. Now I gotta do the wheels. This is the only issue I've run into so far. I'm supposed to have 16 of these medium flat washers to go onto these bolts for the wheels. I only had 14, but I looked in my stuff in my shop and I just happen to have some random size washers. This is the one that came with the Recteq. I've got this one, which it's not the exact same size, but it'll work. And the only thing to point out with these wheels is that these swivel casters go on the right side of the smoker, whereas the fixed ones go on the other side under the hopper. Now I got this handle to put on. It's already got the hardware installed. Got to take that out and I can put it right on there. Don't want it to roll into the woods now. We'll go ahead and lock it just in case. All right, now it's time for the signature bullhorn handles. They go right here and here. Looks like it's starting to rain, so I need to get this thing in the garage. Fortunately, I already have the wheels on, so I can just move it. Gotta unlock the wheel. Well, it was about to rain, but then it stopped, so I came right back out. Now I gotta put the deflector plate in. This thing is a heavy piece of cast iron. I guess that's how it goes. Now I gotta put the drip pan and the grill. So this bent down part on the drip pan goes to the right side. And it should slope down a little bit from this side to this side, which it appears to be, just not a whole lot. Now the rack. Nice. Only thing left is the drip pan. There we go. I gotta tell you, I'm so excited to get started with this thing. This is my first ever pellet smoker. I've only ever smoked on charcoal. I have a Weber Smoky Mountain and a pit barrel cooker, and that's all I've ever smoked on. So I'm getting rid of those and I'm using this going forward, at least for this phase of my life. This thing can apparently fit 75 wings, 4 ribs, 5 butts, or even 2 briskets. So this has got a lot of room. It's going to be really nice to be able to cook a brisket for the first time ever. I've only ever done a flat by itself. I've never done a full brisket, so I'm really excited about that. Got a 30-pound pellet hopper. And you know, I almost went with the Patio Legend, which is a little bit smaller, and it's only got a 15-pound hopper. But when I saw this was only like 50 bucks more for double the size hopper, and I just had to spend a little bit more and get the bigger hopper. I'm not really sure how many pellets this thing will go through. I've never used one before, but I'm looking forward to it. To find out, it's going to be fun. It comes with 2 Meat Pros, which is really great. And this thing has an app that I can get on and track it and monitor from my phone inside the house, which is really nice. So this is going to be very exciting. Hit subscribe so you can see a noob like me getting into pellet smoking for the first time ever. And if you want to see the burn-in, I'm going to do a burn-in. I'm going to do the biscuit test. Those videos are coming up. When those are ready, they'll be linked in the description or on the screen right here somewhere. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.